Leave your shoes at the door and put on a pair of slippers. This is a size for me. It comes in a number of colors. And I'm going to open it up, give you a nice close-up look at what these are. On the bottom of the slippers, they got a unique design that will grip and it won't mark the table or the floor. As you can see, I'm rubbing. On the inside, it's got a nice cushion and cloth material and a nice fabric on top with yellow going around. And I am going to place these on my feet, show you what they look like, and walk around for you. So I take off my shoes, I'm going to leave them to the side, and when the winter comes, I'm going to have a nice pair of slippers that I could walk around in the house and be comfortable with. They fit nice and comfortable. They got a low back, so they can easily come off. Very simple, and they go on very easy. I don't need to have a shoehorn to put them on. They are comfortable indeed, and they are grippy to the floor. I have a nice polyurethane floor, and they are sticking real strong. Listen real close so you can hear them stick. A very short walk for you. And they are very nice in design. If I want to come out of them, I just lift my heel and pull out. If you wear socks or no socks, check the size chart. Make sure you get the right size for your feet. You like a loose fit, order another size higher. If you like a tight fit, a regular size should fit you just fine. It all depends on what fits your needs and your feet. I hope this product may be right for you, of a walkable slipper indoors, as well as going out to the local mailbox, garbage cans, and so forth. Inside the house, these are great to wear. Outside the house, that'd be another story for you. I hope you enjoy your product and if it's right for you.